Hello friends, today we are going to learn that how to repair output data or PST file. For that we need to know that where is our data file is located. For that just click on start and go to settings and control panel. Here open your control panel or else just close it. Go to run and type control and click on OK. So it will also open control panel window. Here you can see mail options is available here. Just click on mail. Now you can close this window. You can see here email accounts, data files and show profile tabs are there. Just click on data files tab. In this window, select this data files tab. Just select your data file or PST file. Now click on open folder. So you can see here your data files are available here. This is my main data file which is having capacity. This is size of 44 MB. Click on OK. Now close this window. First copy this total path so you can easily find out this. Copy. Now close it. Now go to my computers and open your C drive. In this folder you can find this folder program files. Just open it. Now here which program installed in your computer, you can see here files are available. In this folder you have to search for Microsoft Office. This is the folder of location where your Office has installed. Just right click and open it. If you install MS Office 2007, so you have to open this file Office 12, or if you install MS Office 2010, so you have to open folder Office 14. Now presently I am using MS Office 2007, so that's why I have to open this folder Office 12. Just open it. Now you can see here so many files available. Just select SCANPST.exe. This file is a utility tool which will repair the corrupted PST file. Just open it. Now select your file by clicking on browse. So this is my file. Select it. Just select this file and click on open. Now click on start button, so it will start the process of scanning that file. Just wait for some time. Now it's scanning. The time is depend on your data file. Next this window will come. Here leave the option make backup of scan file before preparing. So it will make one backup file of your PST file. Just now click on repair button and wait for time. Now you can see message repair completed. Click on OK. Now try to open your Outlook from all programs. Just here you can see Microsoft Office Outlook 2007. Just open it. So now my Outlook is working fine. So by this process we can easily repair our data files. If you have any doubt about this, so you can visit on my blog www.perfectnetworks.blogspot.in. Thank you friends.